My name is Anna, and I am the multi-day manager at Miles to Wild. The first thing that happens when a guest calls in to reserve a multi-day trip, our office staff will ask lots of different questions to find out what you're looking for and pair you with the right trip. Once the guides get the information from the office, we use that to plan your menu, maybe if anybody has any kind of dietary restrictions. We receive all of that information, make any substitutions needed, and then the following day, we will pack all of the food into the coolers, and then we pack all of the equipment and the food into the truck to go to the river. We use checklists to ensure that we've included everything we need for a trip. You'll find everything from our toilet system, food, making sure we have enough water for everyone, all of the camp gear, which would include your tents, your sleeping bags, your sleeping pads, all of the rafting equipment, things like life jackets, helmets, the rafts, and just general stuff that we use for camp and kitchen. We're also carrying first aid kits on every trip. We have a large one that's more comprehensive, as well as smaller ones for each boat. We carry a satellite communication device on every trip, as well as an automatic defibrillator or an AED. We have special equipment like ropes and pulleys in case a boat gets stuck. And we carry safety ropes, paddles. The list is extensive. I'd say that all of our guides love their jobs. We all love being out there as much as anybody, and we're always so excited to show these areas that we love to new people that we bring out there. We do spend a lot of time, it's a lot of work preparing for those trips, but I feel like for us it's really worth it.